Hey guys, been with Income Options Trading here on Friday, March 31st, the last day of the quarter. Hope you guys are doing well. I ended today up $500. Can't complain about that. Had a new trade go on with the optional megabot today. I'll go over that. I had put it in incorrectly on the template, but it ended up working out okay today. But first things first, if I go to the 2-minute here so you can see the whole day. Market was down quite a bit overnight. So with VIX being up, enter the regular Iron Condor here. Shorts at 53.95 and 56.35. So the 56.35 was right here. We did get up to 56.30 here near the end of the day. I actually closed the call side a little bit early. And that's with also the end of day trade that I put on as well. I'll go over that. But that trade it would have expired worthless. I'll go into how I closed that. But then in the afternoon, 12:30, we were below the 5 EMA was below the 40 EMA, so didn't enter a trade there. After this run up here, I entered a short put spread at 110 and then wrapped her on the 130 mark. This 55.40 was from the optional megabot, but these three were short put spreads, 50 points wide. Would have closed those on a breach. Obviously, we were never close to that. And then with the end of the quarter, end of the month, someone on Facebook, Steven, maybe is his name. I don't know. But he's been helping out a lot. He's been doing a trade last day of each month for the market on close orders. The last 10 minutes, basically from 250 on. Usually the last day of the month, there's usually a larger imbalance and things run up or down. But so normally he puts it on at 2:48 Central, so 12 minutes before market close. In my optional mega bot, I actually put 2:48, but that's all Eastern time. So mine actually opened at 1:48, which was here. And I didn't realize that right away. But I ended up closing that along with my call from a 4 for a 245 credit. So it was basically that call was like 650. So it was $1 more than the strangle that was bought. But the short call from earlier, the 56.35, I closed that as well just because it was so close. So if it was basically a long 56.25, 56.35 call spread, so a max of $10. And I just closed that early because I didn't want to worry about it. Just one of those things. Basically, end of the day, didn't have to worry about anything. Didn't have to worry about anything going awry. So those were my trades for today. Like I said, up $500. Can't complain. Last day of the quarter. Ending the quarter down a little bit, but still beating all the markets, S&P, NASDAQ, and the Russell by quite a bit. Had one stretch there in January that was a self-inflicted wound. Was down quite a bit right away. That put me down. Then the account came back positive before all the Trump tariff things. That was even a bigger fall, but that one it was max drawdown. It was actually right there where the back test was, so down like 15%. And now I'm down like 4%, so actually less, 3%. So account down 3%, but just a month ago it was down 15%. So right there, we're still on the uptrend, so doing okay. Following trade plan. Next quarter, hoping to have a better quarter. Hopefully be in the green and on the up and up. So we'll see how that goes. But not where I wanted to be at the end of the first quarter. If I wouldn't have messed up the second week of January, I'd be green for the quarter, but unfortunately I'm not. So just mentally just try to stick to the trade plan. The optional megabots have helped a lot with just kind of putting those in, trying to let them go. Still trying not to interfere. I know today I interfered, but part of that was because I entered at the wrong time. So, yeah, I guess that's all I have. Hope you guys had a good end of the quarter, and see you tomorrow.